Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. It's almost the middle of October. This is a plant that is in its full glory at this time of the year. It's a Lespedeza, a bush clover. This is a selection of Lespedeza thunbergii. Some of the forms of Lespedeza thunbergii have been in gardens in the South probably since about the mid-1800s, when Commodore Perry opened Japan and introduced a lot of plants from Japan. But those forms are now done blooming, so this selection is later blooming. This is the cultivar Little Volcano, not so little. And when it was first introduced, it was thought to be another species other than thunbergii or thunbergia, but the taxonomists have decided it's just another selection of that species. Despite its size, it's a herbaceous perennial, by which I mean it dies to the ground over winter. At any point after frost and up until the time in late winter before it starts putting up new growth, it can be cut to the ground, or sometimes we cut it down to about 4 inches or so. And it quickly regrows, pleasant green foliage all summer, and then a month-long bloom in, well, not even starting in late summer. It's a full-fledged fall plant. This location is absolutely full sun all day. It certainly doesn't have to have full sun, just 6 hours of sun, or at least a very lightly shaded area, and you'll still get a decent display from it. It's not a spreading plant. The crown will, get gradually bigger, but it's not like spreading a great distance from the crown. It just gets steadily bigger, like your typical hosta or daylily does. The Lespedezas, well, you might have guessed it from the common name of bush clover. They are in the same family as clover, which is the legume family, the same family as beans and peas and many, many ornamentals. It's an interesting family because some of our most important foods are in that family, but there are a lot of poisonous members of that family. So don't go around eating members of that family just because they're in the legume family. The scientific name, Lespedeza thunbergii, commemorates two people. The generic name is commemorating the last colonial governor of Florida when it was still a Spanish colony before it became part of the United States. And his family name was Lespedeza. And thunbergia, you see that name over and over again. He was an European collecting plants in Asia very early in the time that Europeans were exploring Asia for new plants. So a great plant for the fall garden. It's an overcast day and not many pollinators are visiting it, but it is a plant they enjoy as well. So I love any of these things that are so beautiful in the fall garden. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.